5452 Maryland. This is a corner unit as well of this particular building. So we entered right next to the pool. The other unit we looked at is right there. And there is another gate, which I think might go to the garage. I haven't really explored yet. So you would park on the other side of this building and enter through there.
And as you notice, this one does not have the sliding glass door to the patio. It has the front door. So you enter into the front door there. Because the front door on the other one was right behind you. It wasn't to the patio. But you get all the furniture. It's they look like they're recliners because they got the foot covers to protect the kick out. It's very nicely done. I mean, no, it is. And it is Formica. And then cupboards are nice. These are the newer cupboards. So they replace the cupboards. It's not the other ones were the old kind where the hinges are on the outside. And then we got the sink. It's nice. Nope. Works. That is the laminate flooring. It's good. I actually like this table. It's pretty cool. Don't have an island in here, but it'd be easy to put in. It's comfy. It's good. Okay, you got your big fridge that you like. And then you got the bathroom. Let's see what we got here for bathroom. It's not as updated as the other one, and it's got the little cabinets, but I mean, is it a deal breaker? Probably not. That's corium. Plastic. Let's see. Let's see if they have a gate on this one as well. Yeah, okay. This one also has a gate. Let's see if we can get in now. Ah, we can get into this one. Oh, it's got an epoxy floor. Looks like we got a new hot water tank. Ah, there's the man door that goes to the outside. We saw this standing outside of the thing and was wondering if this was an entrance. And this is where you keep getting out.
Okay.
That's hilarious. Yeah, they did a knockout job on the garage. Apparently, it's Dad's garage.
That's why it's so nice.
But I would put a crossbar on here.
So then they can't enter from there,
Right.
but then, well, I guess, I don't know.
Yeah, I wouldn't use this as an entry point.
Okay.
Because this would be easy to kick down.
Yeah.
Yeah. Be really easy. It'll be harder. I'd almost put 2 bars on it because they'll kick. Yeah. 2 bars on it. Protect your car. This is nice. Garage. 2 thumbs up on the garage. So far.
Yeah. Okay.
There we go. Alright. And then double lock doors. That one's locked and that one's locked. That's it. Make sure we lock everything back up. And then we're going to go up the stairs. And you're right, the railing's missing. As the other one had a railing. But I like it. Older carpet. It's got some wrinkles in it, like we talked about. The stairs. Squeak. Yeah, there's something up there. There's that fancy cutout we talked about. And then no mirrored thing.
I like the other one more.
I do too. You do get a TV and you get a bed. It is a king size bed.
This is super wide.
Yeah.
Isn't it?
Well, yeah. It might be one of those California kings.
Huh.
No, actually California kings are longer, aren't they? Not wider.
Huh. It just looks really wide for some reason.
It's the bedding. Do you get your own TV? It seems like when we walked on the other one, it wasn't as noisy. I mean, this floor creaks. It's weird. Yeah, this is quite a bit noisier. No tub. And this one, I don't think the other one had a tub either. Oh, I mean, that's not that fancy, but you got your handle. He likes these.
Oh.
Yeah, this isn't as fancy here. Okay. Yeah, I think the other one's nicer.
Mhm.
Yeah. Furniture or not.
Mhm.
The other one's nicer. Yeah. Yeah, you can just hear, I couldn't hear any walking when we walked the other one, and the doors don't look right.
They look too long.
Yeah, this one needs a little bit more TLC, but this one is another Jack and Jill. And it's a corner shower. Weird. Who wants a corner shower?
It's like a camping.
It is like camping. How European as well. Okay, well, that's really it. Nah, you don't like this one either.
Yeah.
Nah. Mm-mm.